are back out here with the 2014 Ford Fusion. As you can see, we have, well, it's not a brand new rim, but we did find this on eBay. This came from, I believe, Houston, Texas, off of also a 2014 Fusion, but is in very good shape. There's a little bit of road rash. Ow! A little bit of blood, a little bit of road rash. Good grief.
You have to include that.
Yeah, a little piece of paint just went right into my finger. And then of course we have this wheel, which I don't know what happened to this wheel. This came off this car, off the back side, and that whole wheel well is covered in, it looks like rust, but I think it's just a bunch of brake dust. So I think this will clean up. A lot of this is flaking off of there. But for now, our focus is getting these back on the car. But before we do that, we got a new ignition switch assembly, is what I'm going to call it. We got our ignition switch, ignition barrel, the whole 9 yards there. So we're going to go ahead and get this in the car. And it came with a key. So we'll have to rekey the barrel so that we can stay with the key that came with this car, so that it matches the door locks and all. But for now, yeah, so our focus is to get this new ignition in, get it started, and then get these wheels on and get this thing off the trailer. And then we'll kind of take it from there. So let's get started. All right, so here's our little mess here with the steering wheel. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the camera in a good place to record this, but let's see. There, it's about the best camera angle I can get for you guys. So I apologize if I knock it over. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this new ignition switch and barrel in. If I can remember how it went in. Yeah, that went in like this. You remember that. Like so. There we go. Just like that.
Ow.
Ow. Did you stab yourself in the finger with paint too?
Ow. No.
Alright guys, so we have the steering wheel back together. Let's go ahead and hook up the battery and see if it will start. I guess it's time to start it.
Yep.
Nothing.
What?
Alright guys, so no action yet, probably because the key that's in here isn't the key that actually was. Yeah, it says no key detected. It's not the actual key that goes to the car. Let me try getting this other key fob up here next to the other one. Let's see what happens. Yep, still nothing. Alright guys, so we're going to have to give up on the ignition today. What we need to do is get the key code for the ignition barrel so that the car will recognize the key. So I'll get working on that, but in the meantime, let's go ahead and get these wheels on the back so we can get the car off the jack stands. And we'll start off by getting this new shiny one.
You have to include this!
Then we'll hand tighten those later. Alright, let's go to the other side, do the same thing. Now just gotta get the jack, lift it up, and take the stands out. Check it out guys, the car is starting to look somewhat clean after the good rain that we've had the last couple days. It has been a few days since I last worked on this car, trying to figure out the whole ignition issue and getting it started. That's what I'm here to do today. So what I did is I took the key, which is a switchblade, which is a blade type key, where it comes out, and I switched the blade with the key fob that supposedly came with this car, and we're going to see if we can get it started. Alright, so here's what I'm talking about. So I switched the blade here out of the fob that I got from the replacement ignition. So this blade should go to this ignition barrel here, but the fob is the one that's original to the car. So yep, as soon as I hit the buttons, everything works. So I did that right. Let's see if the thing will actually turn over now. Ooh, I actually heard something for a minute. Is the battery dead? It's a brand new battery. Okay, so the battery has spark to it, so I think it might be just the negative terminal. I didn't have the cable on all the way, so let's try this again here. It runs! Yay! It's a lie! It's a lie! Oh my gosh, it's been a couple weeks trying to get this thing going. See how it sounds, guys. The Eco Boost. Oh, this makes me happy. It actually sounds good too. I mean, this thing has probably not been started in I don't know how long. At least since December when Copart checked it in, so it's definitely been sitting for a couple months. All the fluids are good on it, so we should be good. Alright, I don't see any oil or anything dumping out of it, so good there. Let's check the back here. Yeah, everything looks good there. It's about 40 degrees out, so smells like regular exhaust to me. I don't see blue smoke or anything, so that's a good sign. Oh, got engine lights. Oh, we got airbag light, tire pressure light, traction control off. Okay, that's probably something to do with down here. Or maybe the button is not connected or something, I don't know. Let's get a little bit of gas. See what happens when we give it some gas. Sweet, engine is on, no duh. So again, we got 101,000 miles on it. Smells terrible in here. We got the broken window over there where they broke into the car. Did a little damage to the dash from the tool they used to break the glass. It is really filthy. It smells like dirt and cigarette smoke. As you can see, the center console here is all jacked up. Other than that, oh yeah, up above, I don't know what they're going for there. Got the wire hanging down there. The visor's ripped out, but it's actually over there in the door. Not sure why they ripped that out. I think once we get this off the trailer, I think this car will be a good car. I'm going to make this my personal car, drive this back and forth to work. We're gonna have some fun with this car, as long as it runs good. I already have some ideas, so stay tuned, because it's gonna be fun. I'll leave it at that. But what was that? I don't know. Anyway, I want to go ahead and put the camera down. The battery's almost dead, of course, it always is, and I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this off the trailer. Alright guys, and there we have it. Finally got the Fusion off the trailer. It's been sitting on for a few weeks, at least for a couple weeks, and we're not able to drive it quite yet. I noticed as I was backing it off the trailer, there is no power steering, so I don't know if there was a power steering line broke or a fuse or what it could be, but I'll have to go home, grab my Blue Driver scan tool, and the next time we come out we'll hook it up, see what codes we get, and then kind of go from there. So, but thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you liked the video, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because we do have a very special project coming up once we hit 1,000 subscribers, and that project is sitting right behind this garage. So I'm not going to go back any further, but I'm anxious to reveal it and have some fun with it. So thanks again guys for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Casey's Garage.